Hey everyone, welcome to my another video. Today we're modeling a realistic soda can from scratch. It's a full tutorial and easy to follow for the beginner. Okay, let's jump right in. Geometry node has a ton of nodes and sometimes the hard part isn't building something, it's just figuring out which node to use. That's why I found this guide called Every Geometry Node Ever. It's actually really helpful. It's organized almost every geometry nodes in Blender and explain what each node does. So, instead of searching the internet for every node, you can just open this guide and find instantly. If you're serious about learning geometry node, this is a great reference to keep. Check the link in the description. If you enjoy Blender tutorial on modeling, lighting, animation, and product visualization, you are in the right place. Now you can become a channel member and unlock exclusive perks like early access to all my tutorial video. And the best part, at the end of each month, you will get a complete blend file pack containing all the project file from every tutorial released that month. Just hit the join button below to become a member and support this channel to grow. Okay, that's all. Let's start the tutorial. Open up your Blender, new file, general, press A to select everything, X to delete, go to the front view, then I'm going to browse for the reference. I'm just googling can here and use this free pick and download this one. After you download it, back to our Blender at the front view, press Shift A, image reference, find your image reference, like this. I'm going to press G, X, adjust the image reference, and go to the object data property, opacity, and let's turn it down a little bit. Go to the front view, press GY, move it back here. Then, if D to duplicate it, press Alt G to reset the location. Go to the top view, press RX 90 degree. Then press G, move it here. Try to make it a little bit center. Okay, G, Z, move it down. Then press Shift A, mesh. Let's add a cylinder. Just our reference a little bit. Okay. Select your object. Press GZ. Press 1. Your image reference GZ. Move it up. Just adjust a little bit. Okay, till here. Select your cylinder. Tap to the object mode. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Then select all of this. GZ. Move it up here. Then press E to extrude. At the Z location, probably something here, S to scale it down here. Yep, just like this. Then press Ctrl R. Put loop cut here, S to scale it down. Maybe scale this up a little bit. S to scale, Shift Z. Scale it out the Z axis. Okay, then select this H, Ctrl B. Bevel. Okay. Down here, press Ctrl B to the bevel. Okay. As you can see, there's something like this one. It's a little bit detailed. Press 3 change to the face mode. Select this face. Okay. Then E extrude a little bit. On the Z axis, then press SZ0. Okay. Move it up a little bit. Like this. Okay. Tap to the mode. Select this face. Press I to insert. Insert like this, then press Shift R to repeat the process. Okay. Then click here at the professional editing, or you can press O and then change it to the sphere. Press GZ, move it up. Use scroll wheel on your mouse to adjust a little bit. Probably something like this. And then press 1 to the vertices mode, press Alt and click like this. Press E to extrude, extrude on the Z axis, extrude here. Then press 3 change to the face mode, select all of this face like this. Press Alt E, extrude face along normal, and extrude it outside just a little bit like. Okay, I'm going to press 2, change to the edge mode, select this edge, one also, Ctrl B, the bevel. You can increase the segment using scroll wheel on your mouse. Just use 3 segments, it's good. Okay. This one also maybe. Okay, down here, this one, and this one. Ctrl B at the bevel. Okay. After that, tap to the object mode, press Ctrl 2 at the subdivision modifier, right click and shape mode. Next, let's create the top of the cane. I'm just select this object, tap to edit mode, press 1 change to the vertices mode, select these vertices, then press E, extrude it on the z-axis, just a little bit, like this, and bevel here. Okay, then select one of these edge at the inside, Shift D, duplicate it, P, selection, tap to the object mode, select this new object, tap to edit mode, press A to select everything, go to the front view, GZ, let's adjust it a little bit up here. Okay, then press E, extrude S to scale it. At this point, our pivot point still on 3D cursor. Change pivot point, go to the median point. Then E, extrude S to scale it down like this. Then Ctrl F, grid fill. Go to the top view, Alt Z, let's see the result. Okay, press S to scale it just a little bit, like this. Then we only need to follow the reference, following the curve like this. I'm going to select like this, half of it, and X delete the vertices, add modifier, mirror modifier, and move this up, enable clipping. After that, let's just follow the reference, slide it G twice. Okay, after that, press 3 change to the face mode, select this face like this, E to extrude at the Z-axis, Alt Z, move it down a little bit. Okay, we have this result. And for this part, select it and G twice, move it like this. Okay, right click shade smooth. You need to move it down a little bit again. Tap to edit mode again. Before we follow the reference, I'm going to select all of this face. Press I to insert. Press B, just like this. Then press 1 change to the vertices mode. Let's follow the reference. Going to move this up a little bit. And also this one. And move this here. And like this. Okay. After that, select this face. Press I once again. Like this. Then press E to extrude it on the Z-axis a little bit like this. Then select all of this. E, extrude Z-axis. Okay, that's all. Let's create this part. Press 1, just follow the reference. Just put it here. This one and this one. Select this face. Press E, extrude Z-axis. Okay, maybe we can ask to scale it down a little bit without the z-axis. Okay, we're done with this part. Next, let's create this part. If A mesh are a plane GZ, let's move it up here, go to the top view. Tap to the edit mode S to scale it down here. Adjust it. GY here. Ctrl R. Put loop cut here. Loop cut here. This one also. Select this edge, Shift Ctrl B. Scale it like this. Then right click, loop tools, circle. But if you don't have this option, go to the edit, preference, at the add-ons, just found loop tools. Enable these loop tools. That's all. Let's scale this up a little bit and adjust it here. Scale. Okay. And this part GZ, let's move it up. Okay, let's adjust here. Click like this, X, delete the vertices. Add a modifier, add a mirror, enable clipping. Let's delete these vertices and adjust it. GX here. Okay. GX. We can actually delete this. X, dissolve the edge. Okay, let's put it here. And this one, Ctrl B to the bevel. Increase the segment. Okay, just like this. Then tap to the object mode, press 2, add superposition modifier. Let's see the result. I guess we need to press K here, click here, and click here, and K, click here, here, K, click here. Okay, this one, I guess we need to bevel here a little bit, Shift Ctrl B. Let's make it two segment like this. Here, G to join, G to join, G to join. Okay, just a little bit here. Okay, tap to the object mode. We can also apply this mirror modifier. Back to the edit mode, select this edge, right click, loop tool, circle again. Then let's adjust it once more. Okay then. Press A to select everything, E to extrude. Okay, GZ, move it down here. Get smooth. Then tap to the edit mode. Select this edge, all of this, Ctrl B, let's put a bevel a little bit. The last part of the can, Shift A, at the circle, the vertices here, I'm only use 8. Then GZ, move it up, S to scale it down, adjust the position, scale this up, Ctrl 2, add the superposition modifier. Okay, apply the scale, tap to the edit mode, then press F to fill, E, extrude Z-axis. Add a bevel here. We can click here at the snapping, change to the face, Alt Z, select this object, press GZ, hold Ctrl, snap to this face. Okay. Then Shift D, duplicate it, top view, Alt Z, scale it down like this. GZ, move it up, GZ, hold Ctrl like this, snap to this face, smooth. Tap to edit mode, press 3, change to the face mode, select this face, press I to insert like this, then press I once again like this, select this face, E, extrude to Z-axis, Ctrl B, add a bevel, then let's add a bevel here, select all of this edge here, okay, and bevel. Okay, now we're done with the modeling the can. You're gonna need to click here, this one, Control P, Objective Transform. Don't forget to save your project. And that's it, guys. Your finished soda can model, super clean and ready to the next step. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, drop a like and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.